Can a single component truly transform the cockpit of an already high-performance machine? This real carbon fiber steering wheel cover replacement for specific BMW M models promises to do just that, and it's more than just a pretty face. Crafted from 100% real carbon fiber, this isn't some cheap overlay. We're talking about a durable construction designed to withstand the heat generated by sun exposure, ensuring it maintains its pristine look and feel for years to come. The moment you touch it, you immediately notice that authentic, premium texture that only real carbon fiber can deliver. Now let's talk about fitment, because precision is key here. This is a direct replacement part, specifically engineered for BMW ID7 X3M F97, X4M F98, X5M F95, and X6M F96 models from 2020 to 2023. It's crucial to note that it's designed to replace part number 32,308,080,9363, which means it's compatible with your existing heated steering wheel function. This isn't a universal fit, it's a tailored solution. The manufacturer even stresses the importance of checking your specific car's part to ensure compatibility, especially since production can vary by country. So, double-checking before you buy is absolutely essential to avoid any disappointment. As a full replacement, professional installation is highly recommended. This isn't a simple snap-on accessory, it involves swapping out an original component. While the package includes the single steering wheel cover replacement, it's important to know that an instruction manual is not included. This reinforces the idea that this is a job best left to someone with experience, ensuring everything is fitted correctly and safely. What does this mean for your driving experience? Visually, it's a stunning upgrade. The carbon fiber weave adds a layer of aggressive sophistication that perfectly complements the M car's aesthetic. But it's not just about looks. The tactile feel of the real carbon fiber under your hands adds a new dimension to every turn, every shift. It feels substantial, purposeful, and undeniably premium. It's a subtle change that makes a significant impact, enhancing that connection between driver and machine. For owners of these specific BMW M models, looking for an authentic, high-quality interior enhancement that respects the car's original features, including heating, this real carbon fiber steering wheel cover replacement offers an impressive blend of style, durability, and precise fitment. It's a genuine upgrade that truly elevates the driving experience.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.